Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to cover histograms with GGPlot. So what histograms actually are? Those are basically bar plots, but especially designed for you to study some kind of distribution over values. So what kind of code we have in here? In first line we have imported our GGPlot tool library. With this statement we have imported some data from our CSV file, and with this variable our data is printed to the screen. Let me show you. So we have some table of data about people, their working places, average working hours, their income, and all of that by months. So I'm going to put this down, and now we are going to create histogram in order to study relations of that data. So with GGPlot function we are going to provide our variable data as source, and with aesthetics we are going to say that we are going to deal with income on x-axis, and we are going to add GEOM histogram. Okay, save it, run it. Let's see what we have. This is quite ugly, so I'm going to add filling. We are going to fill this with worker category, like this, run it. And now it's much better. So what this plot is actually saying, we have income on x-axis and count on y-axis. So with these little boxes we actually have a representation of how many workers were paid that amount of money. So with this value here, so this is a little bit over 1000, we have actually 3 workers. This first worker, it's Mariah, I believe, and Joe, it's actually paid twice that amount of money. What else we can do? We could actually make these plot bars wider with command bin width, let's say 150, save it, run it. Okay, this is too wide, and 100 I believe is going to be just fine. Okay, this is better. But now if you don't like this stacking position, you actually could add command position dodge, like this, run it, and you're going to get this kind of result right now. But let's get back to our stack position. Okay. You also can easily add a border around every box with command color and set it to black, like this, run it. And you see, this plot is quite fine, but with it we don't actually have any data about how this income is distributed over months or over working places. How to solve that? If we add command facet wrap, like this, with option tilde place, what is going to happen? If we run this, you see we got multiple plots right now. So what this command actually means, with facet wrap we are going to create multiple plots out of one. And this tilde place actually means in regards of this category. This tilde sign means in regards of this category place. That's why we got 3 little plots. And right here we have everything the same as in previous case, but we now have data about working places. So distribution of income in regards of workers and working places. And we can do also for months. Run it. Misspelled. Run it again. So this plot actually shows how workers and income is distributed over months. So guys, this is all for this episode. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and see ya.